Okay. Okay. Good morning, children. Today we are discussing about continue chapter 3 Union Government. Previous classes already we are discussed about Union Government. Union Government definitions and important functions of Union Government. Okay. Prime Minister and President, particularly Article 51 about President, how to working President, okay, and head of the person of Constitution, President system, the President systems, how to change of the some important of the articles, schedules, Act, okay, everything we are discussed President rules, President system, okay. Now chapter 3 Union Government. Chapter 3 Union Government. Okay. The Union Government it is not only depend on central government. It is some relation to state government also. Previous classes already we discussed president, the president system. Okay. The president of India, main important and first citizenship of India. Okay. The government also mainly some divided of this some three type of category system: executive members, legislative members, and judiciary system. Okay. Article number 51 about president how to working and how to rule of the India. Okay. And some suggestions also given president under the prime ministership and every states and next to union territories also. Okay, that ruling of the union territories president only. That ruling of the union territories and so important of act or so important of law. We will change is only. Okay, the president it is main important power of the under the Constitution of India. The Indian Constitution, the president, it is from, this is a great type of person. Historically, in our India, the president it is under the like US president compared to US president and Indian president. But Indian president is more power under the constitutional role only. Okay. He is mainly helped constitution and he is answerable to give under the country whole nation. Okay, the country is total control and system main control by the government, central and states. Okay, some suggestions also given. He is appointed Comptroller, Audit General, COG, and Supreme Court Judge, and all states, High Court Judges, and lawyers. Okay. Next, population census, particular census of India. Next, important of bills, new states bill, and next, sometimes mainly maintenance of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha members also. Answerable to give answers given for Rajya Sabha members. Okay. Next, appointed some under the governors, particularly Lieutenant Governor of Union Territories, UTs, and every state governors. Okay. The governors also sometimes given suggestions under the president rules, under the president. Okay. And next to president rules also, the president rules. Okay. State is not controlled under this chief minister. So thus time governor mainly asked about president rule on the state. Okay, he is mainly directly ruling on the president. President only acting of the another some state. Okay, so the president is more power and more constitutional powering system under the president. Okay, the union president. So the president of India, it is main power, education, health, and sometimes president absent means vice president only under the working. President absent means, for example, president goes to the foreign countries and president suddenly die. So first time unexpected, unfortunately suddenly die. Vice president only maybe some days are working. The position is also changes. Okay, this is total all for the president of India. President may equal to Britain king or queen level, equal to king level. Okay. Next, today topic is mainly prime minister chief. The prime minister and ministers, central ministers. It is called cabinet. Prime minister and ministers of central and prime minister is ministers of central. Okay. Prime Minister and Ministers of Central Ministers. It is called cabinet meeting. Okay, cabinet meeting also conducted Prime Minister cabinet. What is cabinet? Cabinet is under the Prime Minister and the Ministers group. The Prime Minister given some advice and the Prime Minister given from suggestions under the ministership. So Prime Minister and Ministers of Central level government and Ministers of country level. So it is called the cabinet. Okay. The cabinet meeting also conducted Prime Minister cabinet meeting. Once 3 or 4 times. For example, rainy season time also mainly another meeting, cabinet meeting. The cabinet meeting appointed some new ministers under the prime minister and the president system only. But the president appointed a prime minister. The prime minister given some names under the president. So the president mainly appointed of minister of central ministers. So here main working person prime minister and ministers. The president only under the head of the constitution. Okay, under the control by executive members, legislative members, and judiciary system. Okay, the prime minister is appointed under the ministers and divisional groups. Okay, here the prime minister and the ministers of central is called the cabinet. Every year 3 or 4 times, some days more or more times also conduct the cabinet plannings. Okay, cabinet system. Okay, here the cabinet planning under the control by the prime minister and 2 by 3rd level under the rules and regulations follow the under the cabinet prime minister. Okay, under the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India, Prime Minister, they are mainly ruling of strong power under the Constitution of India. Now Prime Minister under the ruling of system. Every Constitution of India, Prime Minister is ruling of system controlled by the every nation and every country. Okay. So the cabinet planning, the cabinet planning and cabinet members also. Okay, for example, here What is the meaning of parliament? Parliament means like Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha and president. It is called a parliament. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and president. The parliament under the leader, prime minister. Okay, the leader main. Opposite parties, ruling parties. Here two type of parties there under the mainly parliament level. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha means here people's, Lok means people's Sabha. Okay. Rajya Sabha means state guys. Every state some appointed every members under the for example legislative council members and MPs under the directly ruling of the parliament level. Okay. So the parliament it is called Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and president. Prime Minister is approaching. Is the main important of power of the parliament. He is answerable to given under the ministers and sometimes parties, ruling parties also given some suggestions. The party members. Okay, the Prime Minister belongs to which party? The party. Okay, different parties there. The party members also sometimes given suggestions. Advice. It is under the Constitution of India, the Prime Minister under the Article number 54 to 60, Articles 54 to 60, separate powering system there, separate political power. Okay, 51 under the Article number 51 under the President, but 55 to 56 Prime Minister level. Okay. The Prime Minister how to ruling and how to controlling of the country. Okay, how to controlling of country, how to ruling it is main important of this system. Ruling of and controlling and appointed some members like executive members, like legislative members, particularly ministers. The ministers under the leadership of the every minister under the leadership of the Prime Minister. Okay, he is mainly sometimes went to foreign countries also, foreign like about other MNC companies. The MNC companies also established of their Indian country. So globally, mainly Chinese globalization. It is also called global people. So globally connected. He is answerable to give the country power of the nation. For example, under the International Council, example UNO, the international countries membership and example UNO committee members, some suggestions also given, country suggestions. Okay, he is controlled by the neighboring countries and maintains free and friendly type of system. Okay, sometimes international events, international issues also sometimes mainly there. The international issues also controlled by the Prime Minister. Particularly UNO it is the International Council and peaceful of the conference meeting. Okay, the international conference time. Prime Minister also mainly given answerable to them. Okay. Under the Constitution of India, President after Prime Minister also main powering the system of the President after Prime Minister also mainly more powers are there under the Constitution of India. Okay. Some days President's advices also taken. The Prime Minister taken some advices President. Okay. Sometimes president advises also sometimes advice given and sometimes suggestions also given by the constitutional suggestions controlled by the nation type of suggestions. He is mainly maintenance of the cabinet planning, particularly the Prime Minister under the here mainly development of programs, schemes, projects Okay, he is maintenance of the particularly start of the schemes, projects, development of particularly development of schemes. Okay, and development of schemes and other schemes. Development of schemes and other schemes also he is only mainly maintenance, nothing content level. And every state, all states, not only total almost all the states, all state chief ministers also mainly under the rule under the constitution type of system also given from prime minister system, prime minister rule system. So the prime minister is approach of the system. It is the approach means here the prime minister level is under the cabinet main head of the meeting also connected cabinet meeting. He is some days mainly economical reforms. The economical reforms also announced. Economical reforms. The economical reforms example planning commission. Okay. For example, planning commission. Who is start planning commission? The planning commission head of the person prime minister. Planning commission. Planning commission also started by prime minister. Planning commission 1950. Which year started? 1950 planning commission. And census of India. Planning commission. Next population, about population survey. About population survey. Census of India. And budget. Announcement of the parliament budget. Okay. Announcement of the budget. Every year, February, March month, announcement of the budget, like financial budgets, and sometimes regular budget also. So, planning commission, census of India, budget. Next to is announcement of the mainly education and health schemes. Education and health, like hospitals, like environmental programs, environmental schemes, health, education schemes. Hospitals is mainly maintenance of the particularly schemes and girls education. Okay, these are also girls education and central government schemes. Next to health schemes also. Sometimes health schemes also they under the prime minister level. Health schemes and education system. Here main head of the under the rule directly prime minister only. But the constitution under the head of the person president. Actually the working person prime minister only. The prime minister only mainly ministers group. The ministers groups. Okay, Lok Sabha members. How many Lok Sabha members? 545. The Lok Sabha members controlled by under the prime ministership only. Appointed meeting. Okay, given some suggestions, advice, and remarks also there. The party, political party. The political party remarks also mainly is taken, and opposition parties mainly methods, opposition parties systems also is taken. So this is mainly approach of the level of prime minister under the constitution of India. The prime minister is under the head of the parliament and under the head of the country. Okay, parliamentary system and a season type of meeting also. For example, rainy and winter in the season type of conference. Announcement of the parliament, prime minister, and Lok Sabha members. Lok Sabha members under the directly ruling of the Prime Minister, Lok Sabha members. But Rajya Sabha is also mainly, it is called as Rajya Sabha. Rajya means here state wise, the every state, some legislative councils there, legislative MLCs. Okay, the legislative councils under the directly ruled by the under the mainly in the Lok Sabha members. Okay, so the parliament members answer also cabinet planning. Okay, next economical plannings and political parties. Political parties because also mainly encouragement and development and system of the Prime Minister. Okay, next recent we will discuss president. The president and prime minister. The president prime minister is a main two both persons is main under the rules of constitution rules. President and councils of ministers, particularly prime minister and the councils. Councils of ministers. Councils of minister and next advisory council or advisory meeting also conducted. Councils of minister who is prime minister level. Advisory council sometimes get some suggestions, advisors also, suggestions and advisors also. Council of ministers. Every minister, how to make, for example, here council of ministers, group of ministers. Group of minister, for example, road, railways, okay, communication, telegraph, communication, telephone. It is called communication system. Next to home ministers. Okay, home, road, railway, education. Okay, next to health minister also. Health, and next to foreign ministers also appointed. Prime minister appointed. Road, railways, transport particularly, and next to telegraph, communication ministers, home affairs, education, health, foreign ministers, and food, civil supply, okay, food, civil supply, and next to other minority of the ministers, etc. There are so much members there are. Every department, forest, minority, road, railways, telegraph, telephones, communication system, okay, home, education, health, next economical, okay. So these are total under the Council of Ministers. The total is called Council of Ministers. Economical, this is also very important. Economical. Okay. This is also important. Economical, road, telegraph, etc. Some mainly communication minister. Okay. This is called under the Council of Ministers. Okay, the minister department here mainly controlled by the under the Prime Minister level. Which level? Prime Minister level. Advisory Council. There another topic. Advisory. The ministers group advisory is taken under the Prime Minister level. The minister group given some advisory. Advisory taken under the Prime Minister level. About constitutional system, about constitutional theory. Okay, advisory council. Next to constitution principles and constitution law. Constitution law. The constitution law and next judiciary. The constitution law is also under the control by the prime minister level. Constitution law. The constitution law actually adopt person constitution president. But constitution law and constitution principle under the rules and regulations taken under the prime minister level. Prime minister level. So, group of ministers, advisory council, constitution law, particularly constitution law, example, rule of law, next to justice, or it is also called the judiciary type of system. Judiciary type of system. These are both total on level under the which group? Prime Minister group. Which group? Under the Prime Minister group. So, the union government, it is mainly two type of leaders are there, president and prime minister. So, the prime minister is answerable, given mainly three type of members under the, for example, legislative members. Legislative council. Legislative members are legislative council. Number 2, executive. Legislative, executive already you know. Executive council. Next, judiciary. Okay, judiciary system. Three type of level under the head of the person prime minister level. Okay, legislative members controlled by and given some advices and appointed. Okay, next executive members, executive councils, some appoint some persons. Okay, executive members, ministers group. Okay, next judiciary, sometimes judicial system also. Judicial system also central or state. Judicial system also appointed. So, children, this is the main under the control by the union government. Okay. Here, first citizenship of India, president, and next the constitution head of the person. The constitution head of the person also president. But the prime minister is under the directly ruling of the system. Okay, directly ruling of the system under the constitutional law and under the constitutional methods. Under the president methods also. Okay, here more important of the power, prime minister level or prime minister of the powers, more important of the powers. Okay, council of ministers, advisory council, constitutional law and legislative council, executive members, judiciary system. These are total topic under the prime minister level. Okay. Next, the prime minister. Another, the prime minister others. Prime minister and other groups. Other groups means the prime minister not only depend on the central level. The prime minister is answerable to given every state and every country, also foreign countries like international type of conference, for example G7, G18, okay, G4 group of countries,